to my channel. My name is Celine. Today I'm going to be showing you just one of my favorite juice that I make with my Bravo juicer. This is the 700 watts BJE 2000X model. I know in my previous video I did unbox it to show you how to put it together. This machine is very easy to put together, very easy to clean. Cleaning is so easy. I mean, all the equipment actually is dishwasher safe, but me personally, I washed all of them with my hands, and it's very easy. It don't take you less than even 2 minutes to clean it. So today I'm going to be making a juice with lemon, some celery that's fallen apart, cucumber, some ginger. We're gonna throw some green apple and of course kale into this juice that we're going to make. This juice is actually sweet, not too sweet, because you have the kale in it, the ginger to give it a kick, and the lemon to give it that zesty taste. So this is really good. This is one of my pick-me-up juice that I make for myself. At least I try to make this in the morning or sometimes in the midday. But enough talking, let's on. Machine is so good. This is what me not even touching it. It's feeding into it so good. Like, I don't even have to do much. And if you can see, my juice is pouring there. Alright guys, we are done. I'm just waiting for this to cool down a little bit. Okay, so this is me juicing kale, celery, cucumber, lime, apple, and a little bit of hint of ginger. And all that stuff gave me about, you're looking at 15 ounce. So 15 ounce of juice. Let's go ahead and give it a try. You could drink it with ice or just raw like that. Me, I like to put a little bit of ice on it. Look how beautiful that look. Isn't it lovely? Tasty. So tasty. Well, and the leftover, I'm gonna put it in a mason jar and just refrigerate it for no more than 48 hours. And guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.